In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Airbnb. If you've ever browsed Airbnb and wish the prices showed up in a currency you're more comfortable with, this walkthrough will get you set up in just a minute or two. We'll do this on the Airbnb website, and the steps are straightforward. First, open your browser and go to Airbnb.com. If you're not already signed in, click Login at the top right and sign in to your account. Being logged in ensures your choice sticks as you continue browsing and planning trips. Once you're in, look toward the top right of the page near your profile photo or initials. Right beside it, you'll see a small menu button with 3 dots. This is where Airbnb keeps quick settings that affect what you see on the site. Click the 3 dots to open that menu, then choose Languages and Currency. This takes you to a simple panel where you can control how the site displays text and prices. Next, click Currency. You'll see a list of available options from around the world. Scroll to find the one you prefer, or use the search field if it's available. Select your preferred currency with a single click, and as soon as you choose it, Airbnb updates automatically. You don't need to save or confirm anything. Prices across listings, search results, and your trip details will display in the currency you selected. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page and it should appear. A few helpful notes. Changing the currency only affects how prices are displayed to you. It doesn't change the base currency a host uses on the back end. Taxes, cleaning fees, and service fees will show in your selected currency as well using Airbnb's current conversion rates. If you later pay with a card in a different currency, your bank might apply its own exchange rate or fees. So it's a good idea to check with your card issuer if you're budgeting closely. If you travel frequently or browse listings in different regions, you can return to this menu anytime and switch currencies as needed. It's a quick way to make prices easier to compare with your usual cost of living. That's all there is to it. Go to Airbnb.com, sign in, open the 3 dots menu near your profile, choose Languages and Currency, click Currency, select your preferred option, and the site updates right away. Try opening a listing to confirm everything looks right, and you're ready to continue planning with clear, consistent pricing.